Here I have Oukitel OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings. No, wait a second. You don't have to open any settings. Like, you have to, but it's not that essential. You have two different methods to check IMEI number and also serial number. And the first one, you just open dial pad on your phone application and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also your serial number. And the second method, you just open settings, go to the about phone section, and here you can find IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also in model and hardware you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.